In this video, I'll guide you through how to make your Steam profile public. If you'd like other players to view your gaming profile, achievements, screenshots, or other public information, changing your Steam profile visibility is a quick and simple process. Whether you're looking to connect with more gamers, showcase your collection, or make it easier for friends to find you, this guide will walk you through everything you need to do in just a few minutes. To get started, open the Steam application on your computer. If you haven't installed Steam yet, download it from the official website and complete the installation before continuing. Once the application is open, click the Login button if you're not already signed in. Enter your account name and password carefully, making sure all your information is correct before clicking Sign In. If you've forgotten your login details, Steam provides account recovery options to help you regain access. After signing in, you'll arrive at your Steam homepage. From here, look toward the upper right corner of the application, where you'll see your profile name. Click on it to open the drop-down menu, then select View My Profile. This will take you to your personal Steam profile, where you can customize your account information and privacy settings. Once your profile page is loaded, locate the Edit Profile button near the top of the page and click it. This opens the Profile Customization section, where you'll find several categories for managing your account. On the left side, look for the Privacy Settings option and select it. This section controls who can view different parts of your Steam profile. Inside the Privacy Settings page, find the option labeled My Profile. This setting determines the overall visibility of your account. You'll see several choices, including Private, Friends Only, and Public. To make your profile visible to everyone, simply select Public. Choosing the Public option allows anyone to view your profile information according to your privacy settings. This can include your badges, achievements, game details, friends list, and other profile features, making it easier for other Steam users to discover your account and interact with you. That's all there is to it. Your Steam profile is now set to public, allowing you to share your gaming activity with the wider Steam community. If you ever change your mind, you can always return to the Privacy Settings page and adjust your visibility preferences whenever you like. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your time on Steam.